Please tell viewers your name and your age. Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonalyn Contado and I am 27 years old.
So, how many years you're working here?
Almost 6 months.
6 months you just
Yes.
start. So, how is the salary? Is it enough for yourself or for your family?
Yes ma'am, it's enough but medyo kulang pa.
Kulang pa. So do you have plan to work overseas? So you like to stay in Philippines? Are you scared to work overseas?
No, but I don't want to go.
Because I'm ex-abroad.
Yes.
I'm ex-abroad. Okay, so are you single or married?
Yes ma'am, I'm single.
Are you willing Asia? What do you want? Asian or Western?
I don't think so, but I'm happy here in Philippines.
So what is your perspective for male? Ano yung yung hinahanap mo sa lalaki?
Ano kasi ma'am, I'm single mom.
Are you single
Yes,
mom?
I'm single mom of one daughter. I have daughter, 7 years old.
Oh, so the father support your kid?
Not so.
But he's Filipino also.
Yes ma'am.
So is it your heart ready to enter to join the new relationship? Okay, so do you have any you can promote your job?
Yes ma'am. Everyone, I want you to go here in Iloilo, in Molo Mansion and enjoy the Cultura shop.
Okay, so what is your perspective for male?
For me,
Ano yung gusto mo sa lalaki? Ano yung hinahanap mo sa
ay
lalaki?
gusto ko sa lalaki yung tanggap yung anak ko,
Okay,
tanggap
that's number
yung
one.
anak ko, yung gano'n. Tapos, yung mabait,
Is hardworking.
hardworking na.
Okay, thank you so much. Ano to binibenta?
Yes, ma'am.
Mga pearl. Mga barong. Good afternoon. Anong tawag sa mansion dito? Anong Molo Mansion?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ano pangalan mo?
Gian, ma'am.
Gian. Thank you so much.
Ma'am.